While we await the delivery of Tinubu's academic records from Chicago State University to Atiku Abubakar, let's consider the admissibility of the new evidence at the Supreme Court. Various narratives are circulating, reminiscent of the ones we heard during the election. Just as before, many of these narratives played out in court, shaping the outcome of the case. Even elements not raised by the respondents were addressed by the judges. Now, as new narratives emerge, it wouldn't be surprising if the Supreme Court takes them into account. One senior advocate of Nigeria, S.A.N, has suggested that Atiku is wasting his time, claiming that the Supreme Court will not accept new evidence. However, this preemptive stance mirrors what happened in the United States District Court in Chicago, where attempts to influence the judges were rejected. Before we see how the Supreme Court handles the presentation of new evidence, let's address some questions that have arisen. Many are concerned that even if these documents are handed over to Atiku, Tinubu might appeal to another court. However, this is unlikely due to the process involved. To appeal the judgment at the 7th District Court, Tinubu must first apply for a stay of execution of the current judgment. Failing to do so would allow the judgment to take effect before he completes the appeal process, as Nancy Maldonado's judgment made clear. Therefore, there's no room for appeal in this case. Regarding concerns about the authenticity of the documents, it's highly unlikely that forgery would occur. Atiku's lawyers aim to obtain an oral deposition from Chicago State University, ensuring that the individuals involved provide oral testimony under oath to support the submitted documents. Any discrepancies or falsehoods could lead to a criminal investigation, given the gravity of the situation. The United States' commitment to the rule of law and the independence of its judiciary makes such deception improbable. While one S.A.N. has hinted at what to expect at the Supreme Court, it's worth noting that precedent suggests that many arguments have played out in court before. The Supreme Court's role is to ensure justice is served, and following its rules should lead to predictable outcomes. However, given Nigeria's unique circumstances, unexpected results are possible. Looking at the Supreme Court rules, Order 2, Rule 12, deals with the procedure for receiving further evidence on appeal. Notably, it allows the admission of evidence, whether or not it was presented at the trial, which is crucial to Atiku's case. However, it's important to remember that the justices have the discretion to admit or reject such evidence. In conclusion, the concept of justice can be complex and often misunderstood. People's perspectives on justice may vary, but it's essential to address corruption and crimes in all forms, regardless of the scale. Politicians' actions have far-reaching consequences, and accountability is paramount. One should not turn a blind eye to wrongdoing based on personal preferences. If you are watching our video for the first time, I suggest you subscribe to our channel for more interesting and captivating information. Turn on the bell notification to get alert on all our recent posts so you won't miss out any. Share your thought in the comment section and share these videos with family, friends, and concerned Nigerians. Thanks for watching.